The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold-4 are two foldable smartphones developed by Samsung and are both part of the company's Galaxy Z Fold series. The Galaxy Z Fold-4, on the other hand, has not yet been announced by Samsung. It is expected to have some improvements over its predecessor, but the specific details of its features and specifications are not currently known. However, the foldable screen technology is still relatively new, and there are concerns about its durability over time. In this video, we will talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold-4. Let's go!
Stop me now!
This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold-4 cell phone 512GB. Flex Mode. Free up your hands with Flex Mode on the Galaxy Z Fold-4. This smartphone stands on its own so you can take notes during a conference call or follow along with instructional videos in real time. Form factor, fold. Hands-free video. Don't stay stuck to your cell phone. Set up your phone in Flex Mode and check off your DDoS while catching up with friends. Hands-free video chat lets you multitask and move freely while staying in frame. Multi-view window. Easily attend a virtual work meeting and capture important notes at the same time, or catch up on your favorite shows as you answer texts. With multiple windows, doing different tasks is easy with Galaxy Z Fold-4. S Pen ready. Transform your Galaxy Z Fold-4 into a multifunctional device with S Pen. It gives you that pen on paper feeling and makes it easy to take notes while attending virtual meetings, drag and drop content, and get more done. Your apps your way. App display optimization allows you to customize how you see apps on the edge-to-edge screen of Galaxy Z Fold-4. Also use multiple apps to their full potential by dragging and dropping content from one window to the other. Your phone and watch work as one. Unfold the possibilities of your Galaxy Z Fold-4 connected to your Galaxy Watch. Use your watch to snap hands-free selfies with Flex Mode. Plus, keep track of your day by easily switching between your Galaxy Watch and phone. Big screen, big sound. Need to head out while you're in the middle of your favorite podcast? Slide Galaxy Z Fold-4 into your pocket and keep listening with your Galaxy Buds. Unfold connectivity with your smartphone and buds working together. The most recent model in the Galaxy Z Fold series was the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and the next one is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold-4. This is not announced, so I would suggest keeping an eye out for official announcements from Samsung. Thanks for watching.